Hi, that was the first lick, or the main lick, from Little Bird by the White Stripes, or at least as close as I could get to it on a 3-string Cigar box guitar. I'm tuned to open G, 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 G. The record is in G sharp, so you need to use a capo or something, a pencil and elastics or anything, on the first fret, and that becomes the 0 fret as far as the tab is concerned. So lick 1 is very straightforward, and I'll turn down a bit here. It's open, 3, open, 5, open, 3, open, and then 3, 2, 0. And he doesn't really accent that 2 most of the time, but it is there in some places, so I put it in the tab. Like that. And then after you do that, you go up here to 15, and you just go. Now, down here, play all 3 strings. You can just play 2, you don't have to play all 3, but it sounds good with all 3. But up here, just play 2, the low in the middle. Like that. The important note is actually the 15 on the middle string. Like that. We can't get as high as he gets on his guitar without, like, you know, going crazy up here. But the 2 together sound kind of close. Like that. Okay, that was lick 1. So lick 2 starts off the same, 0, 3, 0, 5, 0, 3. Then you go up to the 5, and you do 1, 2, up, down, up, hit it again, and slide down to 0. Play that for you. Like that. The rest of that lick is 7, 10, 7, 5. You do a bit of slide on 5. Like that. Just a little bit. And then 5, 3, 7, 3, open. Okay, play that for you. And then to bring the song back in, you go up to 15. Okay, those are your 2 main parts of the song. So after you're back into the song, you play riff 1 a couple times. And then it goes into sort of a jam thing. And those are your 2 main licks that he does there. Open, 3, the 5, and then sometimes he does the 3, 2, 0 thing. This is kind of like a solo, and I don't think you want to try to figure out every little thing that he does in there, but to jam through that part, those are the 2 main things that you need. Or I think I did it an extra time there, but he does that too. So he's really improvising. Now the interlude in the song, that's pretty interesting. Entirely a different feel. He goes up to 12, and the drum beat is like 1, 2, 3, 4, but he's playing 4 hits of the chord for each one. So one way to count that, if you're listening to the drum, is 1 E and A, like this. That's what he does. And he does it 1 eanda, 2 eanda, 3 eanda, 4 eanda. So for 4 drum beats. Then he goes to 10, does the same thing. 1 eanda, 2 eanda, 3 eanda, 4 eanda. Then he goes up to 15. This is a little different. He goes 1 eanda, 2 eanda, 3 eanda, and then he goes to 14 for the 4 eanda. 1 eanda, 2 eanda, 3 eanda, 4 eanda, like that. I'll try to play that slow. So he does that quite a few times, and the tempo speeds up. So just follow the kick drum. Boom, 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 and you'll be fine. Now the last time, it gets a little bit faster, and it's a little trickier. And the riff is a little bit different. Starts off on 12 again, 1 eanda, 2 eanda, 3 eanda, 4 eanda. Same thing on 10. And then it goes down to 3. And here, he changes the feeling, because it's getting really fast. Probably because it was quite difficult to fit in the 4 strums. He changes it to more of what we call a triplet time. 1 eanda, like this. Like that. And he doubles it up. So I'll play that semi-slow for you. And that's how you get back into the song, is with that riff. I wouldn't call this song an easy song, but it's a fun song, and I'd like to thank Jeff Collins for suggesting it. Have a great day. Bye.